like this, and here I have attached the motor. Now this is which collects the sand from here and throw the sand. This is the third part of the motor, and here I have assembled the motor. I will attach this two. I have attached these two both, and here is the tray which collects the sand. I will attach this here like this.